Hi everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic sweet to all of us, literally. We're talking about natural sweeteners that are not just better than sugar, but can also boost your health game. Are you ready to sweeten your life the healthy way? Let's go! First up, we've got stevia. This powerhouse plant is 200 times sweeter than sugar and has 0 calories. Yes, you heard that right, 0. It's perfect for anyone looking to cut down on sugar without sacrificing sweetness. Next, meet monk fruit sweetener. This fruit-derived sweetener is another fantastic 0-calorie option. It's derived from a small round fruit native to Southeast Asia and has been used for centuries in traditional medicine. Not only is it sweet, but it's also packed with antioxidants. Moving on, let's talk about honey. While honey does contain more calories, it's packed with nutrients and antioxidants. It's a great way to add a touch of sweetness to your tea or yogurt. And let's not forget, it's beneficial for your skin too. Fourth on our list is maple syrup. Unlike refined sugars, maple syrup contains minerals like zinc and manganese, making it a healthier option when you crave something sweet. Plus, it's an excellent source of antioxidants. Coconut sugar comes next. It's made from the sap of the coconut palm and has a lower glycemic index than regular sugar. This means it doesn't spike your blood sugar levels as much, making it a safer choice for those with diabetes. Last but not least, we have yakan syrup. This sweetener is derived from the root of the yakan plant, which is indigenous to South America. It's high in fructooligosaccharides, which act as prebiotics and improve digestive health. So there you have it. 6 natural sweeteners that are definitely worth trying out if you want to reduce your sugar intake without missing out on sweetness. Whether you choose stevia, monk fruit, honey, maple syrup, coconut sugar, or yakan syrup, your body will thank you. Remember, moderation is key with any sweetener, natural or not. But making the switch from refined sugar to one of these healthier alternatives could be a sweet step toward better health. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time with more health tips. Stay sweet and healthy.